people, welcome to episode 153 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about being sure that you're even ready to get new credit. Okay, so a lot of people want to get new credit, they want to start building their credit to another level, but you have to see if you're even ready for new credit. And I get a lot of questions about this, so I'm very happy that we're at this episode. So, the first thing I want you guys to do is I want you guys to assess your financial a situation now. Like, what exactly are you going through right now? Are you having certain debts that you're going to have to pay? What's your income looking like? You need to know, like, do you have any emergency savings? So look at these different things. Ensure that you are able to handle new credit payments. When you start using credit cards, you have a new monthly payment that you're going to have to pay. If you're holding a balance on a credit card, can you pay whatever the statement balance is to avoid interest, or can you pay that minimum payment? Understand that you're putting yourself in debt when you only paying a minimum payment. Do you have any existing debts that you already have to pay? um, Understand that you have to see where you're at to see if you can add more. And then what about your emergency savings? Can you help? Do you have emergency savings that you can use without relying on credit? Because these are big things that you all need to make sure that you have in order. And if you don't have an order, then maybe you're not ready for new credit. I want you all to check your credit report and credit score too, because I want you to review your credit report and see like where you're at. Ensure that your credit is in a good range too. Some people want to get new credit and it's like their credit score is in the 500s. And if they get new credit, they should get secure credit cards, but they're trying to go get um, loans, and these loans are going to give you very high interest rates, and you don't want that. So I want you guys to dispute any negative account that can possibly be on your credit reports. And I have a free dispute letter that you all can use if you guys do have negative accounts on your credit reports. Let me show you that dispute letter that you can get, and it's free. So use the dispute letter to start removing any negative accounts that you have on your credit report. So just go to Rickita.com and then scroll down. You'll see right here it says free dispute letters and credit card lists. Click here. It's going to be emailed to you instantly once you put your information in. So check your email and start working to remove any negative accounts that's on your credit reports. But you just want to know exactly where you're at with your credit. And if you see any errors, then do something about it, okay? Which is actually making sure that you all dispute it. The next thing is I want you to understand why you need new credit. I did a live yesterday and someone said, hey, I want to get a personal loan for my landscaping business. What do you think about that? They have a reason why they want to get new credit. The thing is, they need to see if they can make those payments on time, whatever is going to be required, so that they can be able to not destroy their credit when they get these different loans. But just overall, please review your credit to see, well, not yeah, review your credit to see where you at and understand why you need this new credit. Are you trying to consolidate debt? Sometimes you're trying to consolidate some of your debt. You're trying to combine multiple payments into one lower interest rate. And is that why you need to? Are you making large payments now on like a car, or you want to make large, you want to get like a car, a house, or you want to finance something major? Like, why do you need it? Are you trying to build your credit? Just figure out why you need it and make sure it aligns with your goals and your needs. And also review your budget. Again, you got to see if you can even pay. Like, can you even add this new payment into your budget, depending on what you want to do? Can you add this new payment? If you have a new $500 payment, could you be able to afford that? And affording it too, you can look into your debt to income ratio. And this is how much debt you have to pay compared to how much income you have coming in. If you spend 75% of your money already on debt, you're already really close to like drowning in debt. If you only spending 25% of your income on debt, and this can also include like your house payment, whatever that is, all of your debt, and all of also to your just anything that you need to do on your budget, your basic bills. Like, divide that number by your income and see what percentage of money you're having to give out to this debt, okay? Or any type of bill you have to pay on a monthly basis. And also, I want you guys to research different credit options, because it's different things that you all can actually do. So I want you to research different credit options. Are you trying to get a credit card for like everyday purchases to build your credit? Are you trying to do personal loans because you want to do like a larger expense or a debt consolidation? Are you trying to, get a mortgage? Are you trying to get an auto loan? What is it that you're trying to do? So definitely research the different credit options for what you're trying to tackle. If you're trying to buy a house, depending on the house, you probably just don't want to go get a credit card. You probably need to look into actual mortgage. You want to get an auto loan. If you want to get a car, maybe you want to get an auto loan instead of looking into a credit card, or maybe you're looking into a personal loan. Maybe you just want to just get an auto loan, a loan that's specifically for autos, but definitely for cars. So definitely look and see exactly what you're trying to do and do everything based off of that. And then impact to your credit score is going to be real. So consider the impact to your credit score. These hard inquiries going to lower your credit score, and also your credit utilization. So new credit can impact your utilization, because if you have new credit and you're not using the credit, it can actually increase your credit score because it's new debt that you're not using. But if you're going to start holding a balance on that, it's going to lower your credit score. So you have to understand how this new credit, whatever it is, added to your credit report, how it's going to affect your all over credit in general. And next, I want you all to think about preparing for the application process. It's an application process for everything. Depending on what you want to do, they may need proof of income, especially if you're doing like a mortgage. Sometimes when you're doing like auto loans, they're going to need pay stubs, tax return, bank statements for mortgages. Sometimes they just need to verify your identity. Are you able to verify whatever your identity is with your driver's license or passport? And I want you all to understand this, because some companies, they're going to want to do like an additional verification process. And I just want you guys to understand that this could be a process, okay, with getting this new credit. But you need to know if you're ready. Can you do these applications? Do you have time for them? Do you have time to research everything that you're going to need for this? So just keep that in mind, and understand the terms and conditions on any credit that you are actually getting. You need to know what the interest rate is. Are there any fees? When it comes down to a mortgage, is it going to be fixed? Is it going to be variable? Oh, rates. You have to know that. For your credit cards, what is the annual fee? Do you got monthly maintenance fees? Because if you do, like if these credit cards do, you may not need to get, you may not want to get them. And then also you have to understand the length of the repayment period and your payment schedule. So you need to know, okay, not only am I bringing in a new $500 payment or a $400 payment with this new truck I want to get, for people that want to get a truck, but you also have to consider how long you have to pay that for, and make sure that you can stay consistent on something like that. Now, last but not least, it's about talking to me, okay? If y'all have any questions, I'll definitely help you to figure out, okay, could you do this? Is this something for you? I can help you even find credit cards, loans, whatever you want. So definitely reach out to me. And if you all go to my website, Rickita.com, right at the top, you can schedule a call with me or someone on my team. So I do suggest that you all do that. Right here it says schedule a call. Click there and schedule a call with me or somebody on my team. I'll be happy to try to figure out, whatever it is that you want, how you can actually go after it and get it. Now, for those people this is your first time watching my videos, I definitely want to show you all my website. So on my website, I have a lot of stuff that's catering to those people that need to build their credit, who don't have credit at all, or if you need to repair your credit, or if you're just looking to maybe just get higher limits. You don't necessarily need to build it. You just want higher limit credit cards, or whatever it is when it comes down to credit cards and like the negative accounts in your credit. That is what I cater to on my website. Now, you guys can schedule a call on my website. You can see if I have any upcoming events I'm doing. You can do a home buying application if you would like me to help you purchase a home, and also home tours. Check out some of the home tours that I did. If you guys have any negative accounts on your credit report, such as charge-offs, collections, bankruptcies, I do have a dispute letter that you can use here. It's free. I do have a dispute letter that you all can download so that you guys can work to remove those negative accounts from your credit report. Now, you have to get this letter and send it to all 3 credit bureaus, or send it to whatever credit bureau is reporting that account. So definitely come to my website. Once you fill out this, you guys will get an email, and then also I'll send you something about how you can increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. So definitely check that out. If you have negative accounts and you want to actually target them, such as you got late payments, student loans, collections, charge-off, bankruptcies, then I have dispute letter packages. These letters have 6 letters in it, and the bankruptcy is the only one that have the 4. But this is the letters. These are letters that you guys can use to start removing those negative accounts from your credit reports. And it's only $27 for a package of 6 letters. In a little bit, though, I'll show you how you can possibly get this at a discounted rate. Also, utilization sheets. I always show people how to balance out their credit cards, and I have a utilization sheet here where you can track all your credit cards. You can know what your utilization is, and it's going to actually help you pay down your credit cards. If you guys have balances on your credit cards, you need to know how to actually pay it down, which ones to pay down first. This sheet would be great for you all. If you guys are looking to possibly get more hands-on help, you like to talk to me, you want more access to me, then I do suggest that you guys get my membership. I make sure I take calls for those people that's in my membership as a priority. I do have one where you start with $1 trial, and that is going to be $79 per month. And then also have one for $99, and then it's going to be $29 per month. Or you can get lifetime access for $599. So definitely, if you want to get more hands-on help, and then also I can email you your letters that you can actually mail, and then I also can mail them for free on my end. Definitely join the membership if you want more hands-on help. Now, this right here is like my favorite part. It's the credit cards. I have multiple lists of credit cards here. So if you're looking for just the top credit cards that I like, I have that list here. If you want to pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry, I have this here. So you guys can pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry. And this would have over 45 accounts. Since this is my favorite list, because I love to pre-qualify for things without that hard inquiry, I'm going to show you a little bit of what it looks like. So you'll see a video of whatever card it is, an image of that card, apply now, so you can go ahead and apply on a website, and also have a free downloadable guide, and I have information about the card, and it's going to repeat for multiple cards, so you can see which ones you definitely like, which ones are going to help you in your journey of building your credit, or even whatever credit you want to get. Now, I have multiple lists: bad credit, students, travel, to build credit, gas, rewards, cash back. I have multiple ones there. I also have the 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. The webinar, you can just click directly on here, and you will be able to, again, if you already did those free disputes, because this is the thing I said, the 60 points in 60 days, the webinar that you can watch. If you already did that, once you put your information in here, you should go all the way back to the actual webinar. Now, a lot of people love this part, 6 months of free letters. I can actually do your letters for you, 6 months worth of them, and I can actually email them to you and fill out all your information. All you have to do is literally put them in an envelope and mail them. So I definitely have that for you. If you want the 6 months of free letters, this is something that you have to do if you want me to create the letters for you. First off, you have to get our mega dispute letter package. All that is all of the letters that's here. Like all these packages, you get bankruptcy, charge off, collections, student loans, and late payments. You get all of these together in one. You're going to get the free letter that's here, plus you're going to get additional letters, all of that. And I believe the original price is $199, but you're getting 65% off of that. I think it comes like $67, $69. So definitely you have to purchase the mega dispute letter package. Do a 14-day trial with Aura so we can see if you guys have any type of fraud on your account. You need to be able to know if you had any type of data breaches. So definitely sign up for Aura. And all the links are here, so you can just click right here or click here. It doesn't matter. But definitely do step 2. And then step 3 is get your all 3 credit reports by Identity IQ. And it's $1 trial for 7 days. And that's going to give us your credit report so that we can create the actual dispute letters for you. And then also the last, second to last step is to actually complete the application. That's what's going to give us the personal information I need to put on your letters. So definitely complete the application. And then once you have made your purchase, reach out to us so that we can see if you're eligible for the free letter service. But as long as you did all 4 of these steps, you're definitely eligible for it. And then I have a lot of different blog posts on here about the different credit 101, home buying 101 is going to come next. So definitely check out the website, Rickita.com. I will be editing the website soon, but this is what it looks like now. If you guys are interested in any credit card, You guys can definitely use this search bar here. And then also, if you're on your computer, then you can search. Actually, if you're a member already, you can search right here. I got special things for people that's a part of my actual membership. So if they want me to send certified letters, pay past due bills, schedule a call, for free credit help, sign up. Again, here are the steps that you need to actually do. So yeah, that's what you'll do if you guys are a member. Or say if you want a specific credit card you want to look up, just search whatever that credit card is, and you can see if I made some type of review on it. So here's the Apple card here. I'm going to click on it. Scroll down, you see I got the video, the card here, apply now, free downloadable guide. And then I also have some people that actually got approved for the credit card. I have some other reviews here. But I hope that you guys love this website and you're able to find more credit cards to get approved for. You start working to build your credit and you get exactly what you want out of your credit. And last thing I want to say about my wonderful website is, if you like a certain credit card, at the bottom I'll have similar cards. These are the cards to me that's similar to the Apple card. So you can see I have similar ones down here. So you can go ahead and actually click on it and go to that next credit card. So this is the cashback card. And you can see other people say that they got approved for it. So I hope that you guys love this website. You can go into a rabbit hole looking at all the different things that's on this website. But I hope that you guys love it, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a great day.